Going to interview management on the newest space company trading on the open market. Just today, Rocket Lab is trading at $37 billion, up 16%. FJET is lower than 1/100th that valuation, 8,000 times less than SpaceX. Not really trying to compete with either. What they're trying to do is be the taxi service to space, and they're doing this by retrofitting old technology. During the Cold War, the idea was that you make jets that go Mach 2, and no missiles will be able to catch them. But with the invention of supersonic missiles, that kind of became obsolete. Starfighters has taken these jets and they've modernized them. I mean, there's still some B-52s in combat service. These mostly are the F-104s, the starfighters. The brilliant part about starfighters is that jet fuel is 1/10 the price of rocket fuel. So basically they just skip the first stage. They get to 35,000 feet at Mach 1.5 or 2, and then they launch a supersonic missile. These being developed on hypersonic missiles. Basically, they can compete with anyone on a cost per kilogram of payload into space. However, they can do much smaller payloads. In order to get the economics of SpaceX right, you gotta fill out a Falcon Heavy. What Starfighters is really doing is like repair missions. So if there's a satellite down and they need to get 50 kilograms of payload up into space, Starfighters is by far the best option. If the Department of Defense, which they have letter intents for, is that they need to repair some sort of critical satellite system, they will go to Starfighters. In fact, they have them under contract. The great part about that contract is that they're paid whether or not they're used, but they're always a contingency plan. So again, I know this company well. I've been in the data room. Even my former boss went down to the site and saw their planes. If you want to see the full interview, it's going to be on Substack, potentially also YouTube. There's also going to be a written Q&A portion. That is the Mispriced Assets Substack. And on YouTube, it is nnemeth17.